Let's look at Unit 6 test review number 17. This is a trick one, okay? It's tricky. We want to write the equation of a line whose y-coordinate decreases as its x-coordinate increases. So what does that even mean? Here's the y-axis, here's the x-axis. So as the y goes down, decreases, the x is going up. So as the x's go up, the y's are going down. So it's really anything in that kind of a, am I wrong about this? As x moves towards the right, the y's are going down. Yeah, it's anything with this direction that goes from the top left to the bottom right, and it can be super flat or it can be super steep. Um, that's all. In fact, it could even be in this quadrant. It just has to slope from the left to the right down. It can't be a line. It's not the kind of line that goes upish. It's the line that kind of goes downish. So it's not that kind of a line. So knowing this, we just have to come up with an equation of a line. It's any equation. I'm actually going to pick the line that's the easiest one for me to think of, which is this one. That's perfect. As the x's go up, the y's go down. They decrease. And they're getting lower and lower and lower and lower and lower and lower as x is getting higher and higher and higher and higher and higher. And that is the line y equals negative x. The line y equals negative x is a perfect diagonal. It's like a 45-degree angle. Because you know, like the difference between a 90-degree and a 45-degree angle. And basically, think of the coordinates on y equals negative x, or y is the opposite of what x is. So coordinates could be 2 comma negative 2, or negative 2 comma 2, or 105 comma 3, negative 3, oh wait, that was the worst example ever, or negative 105, or negative 105 comma 105. Sorry about that, my brain stopped working. So the idea is that whatever the x is, the opposite is the y. Whatever the y is, the opposite is the x. 5, negative 5. Or 6 elevenths comma negative 6 elevenths. But as you graph this, you'll notice as the y's decrease, the x's increase, which is what they asked.